What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Artie and I'm standing next to one of my favorite cars of the 2000s, and this is going to be a crazy project. I'm kind of shocked looking at it for the first time, but I partnered up with my friend Kevin and this is going to be a full restoration. He'll tell you a little bit about what we have next to me.
Hello everyone. So I found this legendary S2000. Unfortunately, it was left abandoned. Now our mission is to bring it back to life and put it back on the road and show it to you guys, the whole process.
So we got a 2006 Honda S2000 AP2 finished in Laguna Blue Pearl, and it's very sad to see the iconic Honda S2000 in this type of condition. But we're gonna try to bring it back to life. But I wanted to kind of do a little walk around and explain to you guys what exactly we're working with this car. I'm gonna open up all the trunk, the hood, and everywhere to check if we have all the matching VIN stickers. It is very sad to see a car left out like this. But here's the interesting thing. So this is a Mannheim sticker. So this vehicle was purchased roughly around 10 years ago by a previous buyer that wanted to bring it back to life, and he left it abandoned. And as you guys can see, everything's gone. The paint's gone, there's a lot of rust. The interior, let me do a little close-up over here. The interior is straight done. We're gonna try to bring this back to life, but let's check what's under the hood and if we have matching VIN stickers. So the S2000 is supposed to have 10 VIN stickers. We have one over here underneath the hood. Then we're gonna look at the fender. We have one over there on the left side of the fender. We also have one on the right of the fender. So you're supposed to have one right here, but I'm assuming that the bumper at one point of time in this Honda S2000's life was painted, which obviously we don't really care about right now because you're gonna need a full repaint. So then we're supposed to have a sticker right there, as you can see on the door, and then another one right there that we have. So 10 stickers in total. Let's see this driver's side. We have one right there, and then we have the other one on the door. Let's go to the back. We have one on the bumper and then the other one on the trunk. So we have basically 9 VIN stickers out of 10, and that is kind of sad again, that if you had all 10, and this is a very low mile example, well, relatively low mile example. This one only has 78,000 miles. So if it had all the VIN stickers and this car was taken care of, this is a very expensive car nowadays. If you're watching the bring a trailer market, these cars, there's actually one listed right now going for crazy numbers. But what are we gonna do with this car? Let's talk about it. So the crazy part about this car is that we're kind of debating in which route we're gonna go and how to bring this car back to life. To bring it all back to its OEM glory and make it all original, it's kind of pointless at the moment because it's going to be a full repainted car, and we're going to add on some OEM parts, maybe a CR front lip and a spoiler. So we kind of deciding that let's do an OEM plus full overhaul on the suspension, whichever kind of OEM front lips we're going to be able to source, because it's super expensive to find these parts nowadays. The roof needs to be obviously redone, the interior needs to be reupholstered. So we're gonna go the aftermarket route and try to do what Honda did in the beginning, make an iconic car, but go one little notch higher and make an OEM plus. Stay tuned to the channel. We're going to be having uploads weekly. We're going to take this car apart. We're going to take it to the body shop. We're going to record everything and post everything on the channel. So make sure you subscribe, stay tuned, and comment down below what would you do to this car if you took a project like this on.